What if I told you that Google just handed solo freelancers and consultants the one thing that used to separate them from agencies with full teams? I am talking about instant professional email responses powered by Gemini that make your clients think you have an entire support staff working behind the scenes. This is Gmail AI Inbox using Google Gemini. And by the end of this video, you are going to understand how this tool turns response time into your biggest competitive weapon. My name is Paul James, and I help freelancers and small business owners turn free AI tools into legitimate business leverage. I started my business from my brother's garage without money, software, or fancy systems. What I did have was resourcefulness. And tools like this Gemini-powered Gmail update from Google give people like us the same advantages that used to cost thousands of dollars per month in staffing. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I will reply with a link to a free training that shows you how to turn AI tools like this into actual income. And no, I will not try and sell you Go High Level, because there's free tools out there now that do the same thing just as good. Here's the problem most service providers face. You are juggling client work, proposals, follow-ups, and incoming requests all at the same time. Meanwhile, your inbox is sitting at 200 unread messages. By the time you get around to responding to a potential client, they already hired someone else. They hired the person who responded in 20 minutes instead of 2 days. Speed wins clients. Slow responses lose them. It is that simple. And when you are running everything solo, you cannot afford to lose opportunities just because you were busy doing the actual work. This is where the response velocity framework comes in. This is my term for what happens when you use Gemini inside Gmail to create the illusion of scale. Your clients and prospects think you have a team. They think you have someone monitoring communications around the clock, but really, it is just you and Google's Gemini AI working together to respond faster, smarter, and more professionally than 90% of your competition. Response velocity is not about working harder. It is about appearing instantly available without sacrificing your actual productivity. Let me show you how Gmail's Gemini integration actually works. When you log into your Gmail, instead of seeing a massive list of messages that all look equally urgent, Gemini sorts everything into priority categories for you. It identifies which emails need your attention first based on context, urgency, and your past behavior. So instead of scrolling through promotional emails and newsletters to find the one message from a paying client, that client email is sitting at the top waiting for you. Gemini reads your inbox and decides what matters. You just handle what it surfaces. Here is where things get wild. Gemini does not just prioritize your emails. It actually helps you write responses by pulling information from your previous messages and connected tools. Let's say a client emails you asking about a refund or a project timeline. You click reply, and Gemini suggests a response that already includes the order number, the original agreement details, and the exact timeline you promised. It grabbed all of that from past emails without you having to search for it. You review it, maybe tweak a sentence, and hit send. What used to take 15 minutes now takes 90 seconds. Most people never realize this part. Gemini also integrates scheduling directly into your email. So when someone asks if you are available next Tuesday, Gmail shows you your calendar availability right there in the reply window. You do not have to open another tab. You do not have to check your phone. You just confirm the time and send. This eliminates the back and forth that usually takes 6 emails to book one meeting. Stay with me because this next piece is huge. You can also ask Gemini questions in natural language, and it will search through your entire inbox to find the answer. For example, you could type, "Where did my Phoenix client say they wanted the irrigation system installed?" Gemini pulls up the exact email thread, shows you the details, and even surfaces related messages you might have forgotten about. It turns your inbox into a searchable database that actually understands context. Now, Google is rolling this Gemini integration out over the next few months, so if you do not see it yet in your Gmail, just wait, it is coming. And when it arrives, you need to be ready to use it strategically. The people who adopt this early are going to have a serious edge over competitors who are still manually sorting through their inbox every morning. Here is how this turns into actual business leverage. If you are a freelancer, consultant, or agency owner, your response time directly impacts your close rate. When a prospect reaches out, they are usually contacting 3 or 4 people at the same time. Whoever responds first with a clear professional answer usually wins the project. Gmail with Gemini lets you be that person every single time, even when you are in the middle of delivering work for another client. You are not glued to your email, you are just using AI to handle the busy work while you focus on the parts that require your brain. Think about it like this. A Nashville event planner gets an inquiry about availability for a wedding next fall. She is currently on site setting up centerpieces for another event. Normally, she would see that email 3 hours later and respond then. But her competitor, who is using Gemini in Gmail, sees the priority notification, reviews the AI drafted response that already checked her calendar, and sends a professional reply in under 2 minutes. Guess who books that wedding? The person who made the prospect feel valued immediately. And listen, if you have not already dropped a like and commented below, do that now. I will reply with a link to that free training on how to turn tools like this into real income. Here is another angle. You can offer Gemini Gmail setup as a paid service to local business owners who are drowning in email. Think about Denver bookkeepers during tax season handling urgent document requests from 6 different clients, or Phoenix landscape designers managing HOA compliance questions while they are installing irrigation systems. These people need help, but they do not want to hire a virtual assistant. You can charge $300 to $500 to configure their Gmail with Gemini, set up their priority filters, and train them on how to use the reply suggestions. It is a one-time service that solves a massive pain point. You are not selling software. You are selling speed and sanity. The service package looks like this. You audit their current email workflow, identify where they are losing time, configure Gemini to prioritize their most important sender categories, and create template responses for their common questions. Then you record a simple training video showing them how to review and send Gemini-generated replies. That is it. You can deliver this entire service in 2 to 3 hours and charge enough to make it worth your time. Business owners will pay for this because slow email response is costing them actual revenue. This part used to stress me out when I was trying to figure all of this out. I would miss opportunities because I could not keep up with my inbox. Prospects would go cold because I took too long to respond. It felt like I needed to clone myself just to stay competitive. But tools like Google Gemini and Gmail solve that problem without adding overhead or monthly costs. Let me paint you a picture. Imagine you are a Portland interior designer. You are sitting in a client meeting discussing fabric choices for a living room redesign. Your phone buzzes. It is an email from a potential client asking about your return policy on custom furniture. In the past, you would ignore it until after the meeting, then spend 10 minutes searching through old emails to find your policy, then draft a response. By that time, the prospect has moved on. But with Gemini powering your Gmail, you pull up the email on your phone. The AI has already drafted a reply that includes the order number, references your exact return window from a previous message, and keeps the tone professional. You review it in 15 seconds, hit send, and get back to your current client. That potential client receives an instant, detailed response and books a $3,000 project with you an hour later. You locked in new business without ever leaving your meeting. Here is the twist almost nobody talks about. This is not just about saving time. It is about client perception. When you respond instantly with accurate contextual information, clients assume you are organized, professional, and running a tight operation. They do not know it is Gemini pulling details for you. They just know you are on top of everything. That perception alone is worth the effort of learning this tool. It changes how people see your business before they even meet you. The future pacing moment here is simple. Imagine what your next 30 days look like when every email you send goes out fast, accurate, and polished, thanks to Gemini. Imagine never losing a client because someone else responded quicker. Imagine being able to handle twice as many inquiries without working longer hours. That is what Google Gemini and Gmail makes possible. It is not magic. It is just leverage applied to the one thing that kills most solo operators, which is communication overload. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I will reply with a link to that free training that shows you how to turn AI tools into actual income. And again, I will not try and sell you Go High Level, because there are free tools out there now that do the same thing just as good.